Hello guys and welcome back to a new video and a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how you can link or how you can connect your Facebook to your Shopify store in order to get more buyers and to attract more people to your store or to your shop. So just please follow my tutorial step by step here to show you how to do this. So at the beginning, we need to open the browser, either Google Chrome, Firefox, or even Microsoft Edge. No worries about it, you can use your favorite one. So in that case, my favorite one is Google Chrome, so I'll open it over here. Now, once I open my Google Chrome, I need to go to the search engine Google, and now I need to go to Shopify. And once I open Shopify here, I need to go to open the official website of Shopify, which is www.shopify.com. And I click over here to open the website itself. And now you have two options, either start free trial or login for those who has an existing shop or store inside the website of Shopify. So in my case, I already have an existing store. So I'll go to choose login over here. Now once you click on login and you have logged in successfully with your account, we can see this is the main page or this is the dashboard of the website of Shopify to your store. And so here on the left side, we got these options such as home, orders, products, customers, content, and so on and so forth. So in my case, I would like to link my Facebook to my shop or to my store, right? So what I'm gonna do here in this section, which you can see POS or point of sale and online store, you can see sales channels. So you go to click on it. Now you can see installed sales channels are point of use in online store, which are the same as here. And these are recommended for businesses like yours, which are Google and YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and this is the meta icon, TikTok. And also you can click on all recommended sales channels. So I go to choose Facebook and Instagram, and I click over here, and I will be directed to a Facebook page here. And so I need to click on install, and I'll wait a few seconds until this method installed successfully. And now here, as you can see, this called Facebook and Instagram came from me by Meta. This app needs to access customer and store information and edit customer and store information. And so we need to go down here, and these are the privacy details for the customers, store owner, and so on and so forth. Just go scroll down here and click on add sales channel. And once you click on it, the sales channel will be added successfully to your dashboard, store, or shop on Shopify. And now here, we will go to Facebook and Instagram, and we can link our Facebook by click on get started here. And now you connect your account by click on this option in order to log into your Facebook and log in with your Facebook account in order to connect it. And so once you do so, the Facebook will be connected automatically to your shop, to your store on Shopify. And so that was all in today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the tutorial, and also I hope that the video was so helpful. At the end, I'm so thankful for you to watching this video until the end, and that was all. Thank you and have a good day.